Christmas is a holiday that is celebrated all over the world. Many people use this season to take time off from work, to bond with their families, to travel, and generally to have a good time. In as much as people want to relax and have fun, I want you to save this video now because some see this period as a time to make money and start up their small seasonal businesses. And that's why I want to share this update now before December 25th. If you are thinking of starting a business during Christmas, then here are 10 profitable Christmas business ideas that give you a huge profit out of a small investment. Number 10 is gift wrapping service. Gift wrapping is one of the most demanded businesses during Christmas. Not only during Christmas, but also it is an everlasting business. Round the clock, everyone gives gifts to express their love towards others. You can start your own gift wrapping business inside any large department store. This service can save the customer time and effort. This can be started with a very low budget. Number 9 is a Christmas musical show. Christmas season is special for music to give a pleasant vibe to all who hears. If you are good at playing musical instruments as well as singing, this business is going to be a seasonally profitable business. With your music talent, you can earn the most. In this Christmas season, you can either do a solo act or pair up with a band to perform shows. You can approach clubs and other hangouts and tell them of your services. Number 8 is the wine delivery business. Most people prefer to have wine during the festive season, especially in the Christmas season. It was made to keep them warm or to celebrate the festive mood with their friends and family. Wine will have a huge demand during Christmas. Find out the necessary requirements from the authorities before starting this business. Also, you would need to be careful as regards the clients you deliver wine to. Number 7 is the cake baking business. As we heard the word Christmas, the first thing that strikes our mind is cake. We know that many of us are interested in baking, so this baking business will earn you a handful of money. The process of making the cake is very simple. You can even start it as a beginner at home and then develop it as a bakery. Number 6 is sells homemade cookies. Most of us are interested in making handmade cookies from our home. If you guys are interested, so then try to expand your skill and get expertise so that you can build your own business and earn out of it. It's just a simple and easy way of earning money out of a small investment. So try it in your home and sell it in shops. Number 5 is Christmas gift delivery service. As we are well aware that during Christmas, many of us prefer to give gifts to our beloved ones. Nowadays, the online platform plays a vital role for gift delivery since it packs the gift as per customer preference. Most gift suppliers and shops look for people to deliver gift items. If you have a vehicle of your own, there is a good opportunity of making good money at this time. Number 4 is Christmas crackers. Stealing crackers is a symbol of celebration, so people used to buy crackers in huge to celebrate and share their love and happiness with others. If you are interested in seasonal business, this is going to be the best among all. You can buy it wholesale and keep a retail shop to sell it to the widest customer. Number 3 is Christmas tree making. In this festive time, there is a huge demand for a wide variety of Christmas trees. So this business can be started even from your home. If you got a small acre and are thinking of ways you might make money from it, they consider becoming a Christmas tree farmer before starting getting new about the variety and the preference of people so that this will lead to an increase in the profit. Number 2 is wreath making. Business wreath is an indication of Christmas. Almost everyone used to hang wreaths on their doors. The process of making it seems to be simple, but most people prefer to buy it outside and shop. This is a business that could make you some money as an innovative entrepreneur. This can be done easily at your home and sold in retail shops. Number 1 is Christmas lights. Arrangements. Lighting plays a vital role in Christmas decorations. Most of us like to put cereal on the wall or in the crib. You may take full advantage of the festive season and provide a service putting up and installing Christmas lights for a fee. So if guys are very good in invention and decorating skills, then this is going to be the best business for you. So these are some of the profitable Christmas business ideas for startups to begin with. Small investments investment. If you guys found this video useful, then like, share, and subscribe to Roladell Business to get notified for further videos.